Welcome to the best picks. The best chair wheels is probably one of the most overlooked yet crucial components of your premium Herman Miller chair, silently dictating your daily comfort, floor protection, and overall mobility, transforming a simple seating experience into a fluid, effortless glide across your workspace, making the right choice paramount for preserving both your investment and your peace of mind. Number 5. Lifelong Original Office Chair Wheels. These heavy-duty chair wheels are crafted from industrial-grade steel and durable polyurethane. They are extremely resistant to compression and wear, providing long-term stable support for your rolling chair. They will never scratch, smudge, or damage your floors. Enjoy a carefree, safe glide across wood, laminate, vinyl, tile, and carpet all day long. Say goodbye to squeaky, rickety office chair wheels. You'll slide and glide around in total silence with these roller casters, ensuring a peaceful workspace. Carefully crafted from strong materials, they offer extremely powerful load-bearing performance. These robust casters can bear up to 650 pounds, providing sturdy and reliable support. They are compatible with almost any rolling chair, designed to fit 98% of models. Please check your wheel stub size before ordering, as they are not compatible with IKEA chairs. Made with precision ball bearings, these casters are built to withstand long-term daily use without damage or deformation. They are the last office chair wheels you'll ever need. What we like. These casters are built with industrial-grade steel and durable polyurethane, ensuring they withstand daily use without damage. They offer a carefree, safe glide across all floor types, eliminating the need for a chair mat. If you are looking for extreme durability and want to protect your floors from scratches, this set is an excellent choice. What people say. Number 4. Lifelong Office Chair Wheels Replacement Casters. These heavy-duty chair wheels are built to last. Crafted from industrial-grade steel and durable polyurethane, they can effortlessly support loads up to 650 pounds. Say goodbye to chair mats. These replacement wheels will never scratch or damage your floors, allowing you to glide safely across any surface, from wood to carpet. Designed for most office chairs, these casters offer broad compatibility. Please ensure to check your chair's stem size before ordering, as they are not compatible with IKEA chairs. Experience unparalleled quietness. Unlike cheap, noisy wheels, these swivel casters allow you to slide and glide around in total silence. Crafted from high-strength materials, they offer exceptional stability and durability. These reliable casters can easily handle various usage scenarios, enhancing mobility in your office and daily life. What we like. Crafted from industrial-grade steel and precision ball bearings, this set promises long-term stability and support. They provide a completely silent and smooth glide, making your workspace more peaceful. If you value a truly quiet environment and require robust, long-lasting performance, these wheels are designed to deliver. What people say. Number 3. TRALT Office Chair Ergonomic Desk Chair Black and White. Say goodbye to discomfort. Its durable lumbar mechanism adjusts to your spine's natural curve, providing genuine relief. This ensures your lower back pressure is alleviated during long sitting sessions. Experience lasting comfort. Its high-density, high-resilience molded foam seat won't flatten or sag, maintaining its shape and cushioning. This prevents the common bottoming out discomfort, ensuring support day after day. Stay cool and comfortable. The high-tension mesh back promotes continuous airflow, keeping you cool in any environment. It also eliminates peeling upholstery, maintaining a professional look for years. Rely on superior strength. Its reinforced nylon base with a metal core supports up to 330 pounds, offering exceptional durability. The smooth rolling, silent casters glide effortlessly on any floor without damage. Enjoy an ideal fit for all-day comfort. Its generously wide seat and calibrated depth support your thighs, protecting circulation. The adjustable height range comfortably accommodates users from 5 feet 4 inches to 6 feet 2 inches, promoting proper posture. Get premium features without the premium price. It includes essential ergonomic supports and a reinforced base, all BIFMA certified. Assembly takes just 15 minutes, and it comes with a reassuring 5-year warranty. Your satisfaction is our priority. Should you encounter any issues like missing parts, damage, or discomfort, our customer service is ready to assist. We are committed to resolving your concerns promptly. What we like. This chair features smooth rolling, 360-degree silent casters that glide effortlessly across various floor types without scratching. Its heavy-duty metal core base provides exceptional durability and peace of mind. If you are looking for an entire ergonomic chair with reliable, quiet, and floor-friendly mobility, this option offers great value. What people say. Number 2. RidRed Office Chair Wheels. These wheels boast an upgraded single-wheel design, enhancing your chair's aesthetics. This configuration also ensures more even weight distribution, significantly improving its stability. Experience a quiet workspace with their silent design, eliminating friction and squeaking. Their smooth rolling action minimizes floor impact, prevents wobbling, and extends their lifespan. Crafted from industrial-grade steel, precision ball bearings, and durable polyurethane, they offer exceptional stability. With a 650-pound capacity, they reduce tilting and wobbling during movement. They glide safely and effortlessly across wood, laminate, tile, and carpeted floors. Wrapped in soft polyurethane, they ensure no scratches, smudges, or damage to your surfaces. With a 7/16-inch x 7/8 stem size, they are compatible with most office chairs. Please verify your current caster size before ordering, as they are not compatible with IKEA chairs. What we like. These wheels boast a unique single-wheel design, which not only enhances aesthetics but also provides more even weight distribution for improved stability. They are engineered for silent, smooth rolling, reducing friction and noise. If you appreciate a sleek design and prioritize enhanced stability and a quiet workspace, this set is a perfect fit. What people say. Number 1. Heavy-duty office chair wheels, smooth rubber rollers. Elevate your comfort with these premium chair wheels. They feature a universal shaft size, fitting nearly all office, game, and desk chairs, excluding IKEA or Topstar models. Say goodbye to chair mats. These wheels are designed with smooth, rubberized casters that protect your floors, rolling quietly and effortlessly on various surfaces without scratches. Built for strength, these wheels feature a double-wheel structure for superior balance. They distribute weight evenly, supporting up to 700 pounds, perfect for heavy-duty use. Enjoy a quiet, smooth glide with shock-absorbing polyurethane. They reduce rolling noise to below 20 dB, providing effortless 360 degrees mobility for focused work. Install them in under 2 minutes, no tools required. Simply remove your old casters and push these new ones in for long-term reliability. What we like. With a robust 700 pounds weight capacity and a double-wheel structure, these casters offer superior support for heavier users. Installation is incredibly fast and tool-free, taking less than 2 minutes. If you need maximum load-bearing capability and appreciate a hassle-free, quick upgrade, these wheels are an ideal solution. What people say. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.